Nursery rhymes, Mom and Me. Let's start. Repeat after me. Let's stay safe and look around. Repeat after me. Orange.
Orange.
Orange is the color that we found. Let's hold hands when we walk outside. Stay close to me, right by my side. Now repeat after me. Orange. Let's be safe and hold my hand, walking in this orange land. Now say it after me. The color?
Orange.
Orange. Flying high to the rainbow bright, orange shines with beautiful light, one of the colors in the sky.
Mom, why do you like orange color?
Orange is the bright sun. Orange is the fruit we eat. Orange is the cozy glow from our head to our feet. We had such a happy orange day.
Orange is my favorite color.
We saw so many bright orange things. Let's do it again tomorrow.
Yes, let's do it again.
Your child can learn and speak faster and have clarity in concepts by listening to our videos continuously. Please click the subscribe button. Thank you.